Every time you run a git command, something called head is silently tracking your position. But what exactly is it? A head is simply a pointer, a reference to your current position in Git history. Think of it like a bookmark. Head tells Git, this is where I am right now. More specifically, head points to the current commit, the snapshot your working directory is based on. Here's the key insight. Head almost never points directly to a commit. Instead, it points to a branch name like main or develop. That branch then points to its latest commit. When you make a new commit, the branch pointer advances, and since head points to the branch, it moves forward too. The same happens when you switch branches with git checkout or git switch. What if head points directly to a commit, skipping the branch entirely? That's called detached head state. This happens when you check out a specific commit hash, a tag, or a remote tracking branch. In this state, you are not on any branch, so new commits could be lost if you switch away. You can also use head -1 or head -1 to reference parent commits in your history. To sum it up, head is Git's bookmark, normally pointing to your current branch and moving forward with every commit. Follow for more Git concepts explained simply. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.